Hi everyone, it's Imran from Car Sound Secure in East London. We've just finished doing front and rear Thinkware dash cams on this Nissan Micra 2020 plate. Let me just show you the installation, and then Richard will go through the app with you as well. So that's the front. It's neatly wired in, so there's no sort of cables exposed, all going through the reef lining. I'll just show you the back as well. Okay, so we've got the camera just over here. It's all routed neatly through all the original sort of panels, so you don't really see any cables, minimal cable exposed, shall I say. It's all run through grommets correctly, so you know there's no extra holes made on the panels, etc., as that can cause water leaks if it's not done properly. So let's just go to the front, and I'm going to get Richard to just go through the app with you as well. Over to you, Richard.
Righto guys, so what we have here is the Thinkware app. As you can see, you've got full access to your dash cam, so we've got live view. As you can see, the camera, it shows you the live view of the camera, real time, and you can also flip over to the rear camera, and you can see nice and clear the rear camera as well. You have additional features on this camera, including speed camera warnings, and you also got parking mode as well, so you can record while the car is parked up as well for any accidents. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you got all the extra functions on this dash cam. Okay, thanks for that, Richard.
If you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle, you know, we do it on so many different vehicles. Really popular at the moment with the snow, and it's iced over on the roads at the moment. Real essential tool to have in your car. Then get in contact with us on the details after this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.